Hi. Jaha, är det en video? Damn it.
Are you gonna get your rainbow shave ice?
Nej.
Strawberry milk.
Nej.
The strawberry milk was much smaller. Enjoy it, man. It's huge. It's huge. Wow.
Well,
Was it good?
You have 10,
Yeah.
you have 10 minutes.
We're editing our first Purikuras. Cho kawaii. Tokyo.
I think this is not with this picture.
Right 216. Yeah.
Shit, whatever I had.
Yeah, that would be great.
That's nice.
Nice?
Oh.
Oh, it's gonna do like this for all the pictures.
You see. Awesome. So after 1 week of living here, I haven't really been searching or asking, but you know, I've been wondering where the hell the washing machine is. So today I actually found out, and no wonder I couldn't find it, because the washing machine is actually on the roof. Yeah, pretty cool. It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining, man. Alright, it's really raining today. Oh my god. This came out of nowhere.
And it's thundering and bolting and
You can't really tell if I hold it like this, but
Lightning.
you can tell by the ground. It's
You
raining.
can tell by my umbrella. You can't see that.
The funny part is people are talking about how hot Japan is. We're like, yeah, it is hot.
Well, today is extremely hot.
Today's extremely wet.
Yeah. Oh!
Eh,
You hit that with your umbrella.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
大丈夫ですか?
Oh, come on.
Yeah, so
This is
we're
supposed
hiding
to
for
protect
rain.
you. It does not protect you. It does for just your head.
No, man.
The thing is that there's too much wind, so the umbrella doesn't help at all, because the rain that falls outside of the umbrella, that was a huge umbrella. The rain that falls outside of the umbrella just blows beneath the umbrella, blows on you anyway. Alright, so our plan is to head to the restaurant over there.
Or wait it out.
Yeah. Or wait it out.
We're gonna be here a while.
But it doesn't look promising, so yeah. We'll see what we'll do.
I did not bring good clothes for this.
Neither did I. Not dressed for today.
I don't always standing with our umbrellas on the roof.
Yeah. We have a roof, but we're still standing with our umbrellas. Because we're afraid. We're afraid of the rain.
No, I can play like... Like in the movies, right?
We can do this. Just one stop at a time.
Metal!
Metal! Hayaku! Hayaku! Go, 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 go. Oh, oh, oh,
my
oh,
God.
oh. Oh my god! It's raining so much. Oh. How you doing, guys? Hey, where'd you go? How you doing, guys?
My socks
My
are
socks
totally
are-
wet.
yeah.
I'm
not gonna sit in a restaurant like this.
gonna get sick.
Oh my god. Other side of the street. We have to wait for the green light again.
Quick, quick.
Oh no, there's no light to wait for here. Go. There we go. Restaurant. We're saved.